Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at a multi-port USB Type-C adapter by QiCai. Now you can pick this up on the Amazon store. I'm going to leave a link below so you can do that. But what I want to tell you now, I've reviewed several of these types of devices in the past. Some from 8 ports to 7 ports, to 3 ports, to 2 ports. And what makes this one special is that it's the first one that I've had a chance to review that has 3.0 USB ports on it. Now, all of these are fast, basically faster type data responders or data downloaders. You can move data faster through these, the 3.0. Now, let's do a little real estate, because right here you got the USB Type-C dongle, you got HDMI. Now this goes up to 4K quality. Then you got your 3.0 USB, and then you have a USB Type-C power pass-through, so you can charge up as you use this. Now you get your branding up top, and you get your nice silver around, and you get your white edging. So without further ado, let's get this plugged up. I'm going to be using my Galaxy S10 Plus for this review. Now, data is going to always go faster through your USB Type-C port. I'm going to plug this in, and we're going to see if we can recognize what's on here. Now, the good thing about these devices, these multi-port devices, is that most of our devices now are only coming with USB Type-C. So if you have files that are on old jump drives, you're going to need something like this to get them off. Let's plug this in. There we go. Goes into 1, snaps into 2, and snaps into 3. So since I got it in 1 already, I'm just going to plug it into my phone. We are going to scroll down. We're going to find, let's do this. We're going to go to our files, and there we go. As you can see, USB storage 1, we'll click on that. Everything that is on here, we're looking at it right here. Now, so any data files, any pictures, any music, anything that you have on an old school USB thumb drive, you can pop it in here and upload it to your brand new Samsung device. So for our next test, I'm gonna bring out my tablet. This is the iPad 11-inch Pro. I'm gonna plug this up through USB Type-C. And let's see what we get on our monitor. So here we go. We can actually mirror our tablet or our device right here. I'm gonna actually flip this around and see if we can get it. So almost in full screen. So we almost get that full ratio screen that we like. Now you can see it's really fluid. It's moving as my fingers are moving. The camera is a little bit lagged on that, but on that screen as I'm swiping, it's no issues. Everything is going back and forth, everything is moving, no problems. Games are no issues, they're fluid, there's no lag. It all works really well. So the game looks exactly like it looks on my tablet right here that I'm looking at. As you can see, got everything right here. I'm gonna just hit that just to show you. So it works real time. So this will be a good option to use if you don't have a Apple TV, if you don't have mirroring capabilities. You can just plug this up into your any devices that have USB Type-C capabilities, plug it up and play, plug it up and go. So as I mentioned, this is by QiCai. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check this out for yourself. But this is a multi-port, 3 USB 3.0s, 4K HDMI, and a USB Type-C power through. You got USB-C connection right here. You can take this with you. It's extremely light. It's extremely portable. Put it in your bag, on the go, have a presentation at work, plug it up, do whatever you got to do. So I'll be sure to leave a link below. Hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.